During the winter months, we really need privacy from our neighbors, but also want the breeze to be able to blow through. This is a layered leaf design. It has that strong visual coverage, but it still allows the breeze so we don't get a lot of the blockage. It's not designed to fade in the sun. It is UV resistant, built for outdoors, and it does have the green color. I would say up close, it looks like silk fabric leaves. They have a little bit of kind of like a sweet potato leaf design, matte finish, so they're not too shiny plastic. They are in a grid base, but you can see the wind is blowing through and there is visibility through this one. They're 20 by 20 panels that snap together, and then it comes with these zip ties. So I literally just shoved the zip ties through the grid and attached them, and I only needed 3 to keep this entire one on. You can use as many as you want. Here's a view of that grid from the back. It is pretty durable. It's kind of a thick plastic, and you can see here each of them snap together. So right now it's a long rectangular design, but if you needed something more vertical, you can literally take the 20 by 20 pieces, unsnap them, and re-snap them together to form any formation that you would like. I guess what really stands out to me is the balance between privacy and breathability. If you need to take it down, it's super easy to fold and store. You kind of get this thick visual coverage without turning the balcony into a heat trap if you want to use it in the spring, summer months. Great for outdoor space, and I think it's reinforced. Backing enough makes it easy to secure it and structure it for long time use as well. I think it'd be great for a balcony, a patio, a garden rooftop, or even like an outdoor event for a photo backdrop. Overall, it's an ivy privacy fence. It gives you customizable greenery wall that's private with airflow, reinforced grids. It doesn't sag, it's breathable. Leaf spacing is not gonna allow that heavy suffocating feel with a too dense of a screen. And it's 12 modular panels with zip ties. Installation was fast and flexible. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.